Okay, so this is a scenario we have to do on the new tools website by using Jmeter, and prepare the test plan on a new tools website by creating a scenario and apply the below conditions. Okay, first we need to
Yeah.
register to this website, right? First we
Yeah.
need to this website. Okay, let's open normally this website. Let me open in Chrome browser. New tools.
Mm-hmm.
I'll get a lot of things. Let me go here. New tools. Okay. New tools. Okay. Newtools.demoaut.com. Okay, this is the website. Okay, I'm going to automate. And here, once I open this website, I can see a lot of links will be there. Okay, I'm just going to register into this website. Click on this register link. Okay, and after that, I'm going to fill up all these details like contact information and the mailing information as well as user information. Okay, so after that, I'm going to click on submit button. Okay, so once it is done,
Mm-hmm.
then I'll be moving to this page. Okay, and here I'm going to click on this sign in link. Okay, sign in
Mm-hmm.
link. And I have to log in with the user ID and password which have been registered in this website at the time of giving the
Mm-hmm.
registration, right? So here I will
Mm-hmm.
give the username password in the bottom. Here username and password, this username password we have to log in this website. Okay, so this is the scenario we have to do.
Yeah.
So first let me go here and let me remove these things. Okay, so this is the URL, right? Just copy this URL and let me open the Firefox browser first. Okay, okay, it's done. So first of all, so before getting into this browser, so I'm going to create some few what is that pre-steps on this JMeter. First, in the test plan, workbench is there, right? So on the test plan, I'm going to create one thread group. Okay, one thread group. Okay, thread group. So under the thread group, I'm
Mm-hmm.
going to create one logic controller. Okay, logic control that is called recording controller. I'm doing now. Okay, recording controller, and here this
Mm-hmm.
plan
Yeah.
I can give the test plan name as the project name, new tools. Okay, automation,
Yeah.
it is automation, and here I can say uh, new tools, new tools. Okay, so here this is a recording controller, right? Okay, recording controller. So if you want any other config elements, if you want, you can take it, but I'll take it later, not a problem. So first I'll go with one by one. I'm going to create one test script recorder. Okay, and do some settings. The port number would be 4444 here. Okay, and I'm going to change this target controller as new tools recording
Mm-hmm.
controller. Okay, and don't change anything here. And when it comes to the URL pattern include and URL patterns exclude. Okay, I'm going to exclude unnecessary files which are generating when we're recording, right? Okay, I'm going to start recording this one,
Mm-hmm.
right? Do I need to do any changes? No, right? Nothing changes required. Just
Mm-hmm.
okay, could not create a script recorder.
Oh, yeah.
Use. Okay, put in use is nothing, but can I go with other pro? This one, let me see that. Something has been running. Let me see that what's happening here. The problem is in Java here. mm, okay, I got. Okay, TK. Okay, I'll do one thing. Let me go with the number that is called double eight. Let me see that. Start. Okay, starting. Started. And let me go here. Open this website. Okay, so okay, I think it's not gonna be recording because I need to do some proxy settings, right? Proxy settings is required. Go to tools, options, and network
Yeah.
and settings. Okay, and go to the manual proxy settings in the local host
Mm-hmm.
and my machine. I'm running it, and the port number should be different, right? It's a double eight.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, OK button, and press OK button there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then refresh this page here.
Yeah.
Automatically the script should be recorded in my JMeter
Mm-hmm.
test window. If you see here, the script is recorded.
Yeah.
Okay? So we have unnecessary files also coming here. Okay, this is the back. Okay, back navigation. Okay, back navigation.
Yeah.
Okay, this is not required for us. Okay, this is not required. And this is the 7 days rate. Look for not for the name. Look for the server IP address. Okay, this is the website address. This is the website address. Website URL, right? Website URL. So this is the problem.
Okay.
You request, we have got it. So we can say what we can say, we can say tc01 underscore, that means test case 01. Okay, or else we can say test request. If you want test
Yeah.
query also, you can give it test request. Okay, underscore what is the project name? New tools, right? New tools project name. And what is the purpose of this
Yeah.
home page load, right? Home page load. Okay, and we are just fetching the details. That means we are doing get operations that we can see here. Method as a get operation. By default it will come. No need to set it. No need to set your. Okay, this is the get operations. Get request. I can say get request. That's fine. Next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this registration link. Okay, I'm also going to fetch the details of this registration link page. Okay, registration link page. If you look at here, I also got the back operations again. Let me remove this one and Mercury register.php. Okay, this is the common address, server IP address, and this is the path of the next URL, you can say. Okay, and this is for clicking on the registration link, right? Okay, tr
Yeah.
plus 02 underscore. Okay, new tools underscore. Okay, and here click registration, click register link, or else register link, you can say register link. Okay, and here get operations, register link, get operations. Okay, next one. So once I did this now, so I'm gonna take I'm gonna enter the contact information. Okay, I'm gonna enter the contact information. That is called, we can say, the Selenium is the first name, and a WebDriver. Okay, or else you can give some other name, Apache, Jmeter. Okay, and Apache Jmeter. Okay, gmail.com. Gmail.com. You can give any details, not a problem. You can give any details. I'm gonna give some
Yeah.
phone number here. Address will be flat number some 16. Okay, and Hyderabad. City is Hyderabad. The state is Telangana. Okay, pin code will be something Alex 19, and the country is India. And username is, I'm going to give some different name. Jmeter automation 123. Jmeter automation 123. Just copy this one. Copy this one, and giving some Jmeter at 1101. Jmeter at 1101. Click on submit button. Okay, so click on submit button. Right. So here, this is the one. These are the parameters which I've entered in my this one. Okay, these are the parameters. And here, I'm going to take Mercury account creation. Okay, you can say tr03 underscore. Okay, new tools underscore Mercury create account. Mercury create account. Mercury create an account. Say create an account. Create account. Okay, and this is the disable is not required, and you can this one. This is also we can okay, not required this one. Don't worry about it. And what next? Okay. So we have to click on this link, right? Okay. So we'll do one thing. First of all, we need to do this registration scenario. Then we'll go with other scenario. Okay. Let me go with the registration only right now. Okay. Right. Okay, let me stop here. I'm going to stop this recording now. Stop recording. Stop recording, right? right. So I have 3 requests. I have 3 requests. Now what next?
Yeah.
I have used so far, I have used how many? I have used only logical controllers, not more than that, right? I have used only logical controllers.
Mm,
I have to use the config elements, I have to use the
yeah.
timers, but the pre-process we didn't explain, so no need to worry about it. And the samplers anyway, requests are there, and post-process is not required. Assessment we have to use it, and listeners we have to use it, right? So what are the config elements we
Yeah.
require for this
Yeah.
test? So we require a CSV data set counter. We'll discuss that later. And CSV data set basically used for taking the parameter from the Excel sheet. Okay, definitely we have to use it. Just take this one. Take this one and put it in the
Yeah.
test plan level. Okay, it's going to apply for all the what is that threads, all the recording controllers, all the everything. Okay, it's going to apply for the entire project level. Okay, take that one. And also
Yeah.
config element for DSN is not required, and authorization manager we don't have any. If request is not required, caching manager is not required. Cookies manager is required because the cookies manager we have already seen, right? So if you want to log in, or if you want to register, okay, we are moving to some other page. Okay, that time it's required, definitely required. But cookies will store the information. Okay, that is definitely required. And what else we required? Config
Yeah.
elements, config elements. Even Java request, JDBC request. No, these are not required for us. Okay, user defined variables. This user defined variable basically, if you want to define any variables, at the test plan level. Okay, test plan level is nothing but you are using some variables. Okay, constantly entirely all the threads, all the recording controllers, sorry, all the controllers basically. Okay, you're using some common variables. Okay,
Yeah.
instead of declaring in every place, okay, declare somewhere else, that is called user defined variables. Okay, these are the constant variable you declare one time, and you can use multiple areas.
Yeah.
So let's example
Yeah.
the scenario. So here what we are doing, here we are entering some details, right? Okay. This example, there is a state here. Okay, there is a state.
Yes. Yeah.
So here I'm going to enter some state here. Okay, name as state, and value will be Hyderabad. Okay, value will be Hyderabad. Okay, here what I'm doing, I'm just going here. Okay, I can enter like this now. Put dollar symbol and open brace, and what is that state? State.
Yes.
Okay,
I see
it's
it.
going to take from here. Okay, so like this, if I enter something like this, okay,
Yeah.
Hyderabad is there. Hyderabad is there. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. City, city. Okay. It's
City. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry.
this city is there. Assume
Yeah.
that this city is there in the 10 request. Okay, city is there in the 10 request. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
You want to change the city in future. Okay, you have to go to the 10 request and you have to change it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Correct. You have to go to the 10
Yes.
request and you have
Yes.
to change the city name.
Mm-hmm.
So instead of going to the 10 request, okay, you can put one
Mm-hmm.
user defined variable as a city, and you can change whatever you want. If you change here, all the requests will be effective with the city.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yes. Yes.
Right.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So that case, I'm using this user
Yeah.
defined variables. Okay, you can use in constant variables. Or we can use some username password also we can use here. Okay, like a username password.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Username is Amish, and the password will be I think it might be it must be encrypted, but I don't know. Password. Oh my God, it's not coming. So when you type some password, password, okay, the Jmeter automatically convert that the
Yeah.
value into the encrypted mode, like dot star or dots like that. Okay, but it's not coming here.
Okay.
It's not coming here. It should be encrypted actually automatically because the user should not know it. The other person should not know my password, right? So that's reason actually should to convert into
Yes. Yes.
that actually. It's not converting. Let's see that later, not a problem. Okay, and here
Okay.
what I'm doing. Here I enter the CS, I added the CS data set for the Excel reader, and user defined for the common variables, and cookies for storing the information, like storing the user credentials and all those things. Okay.
Mm. So one question here. Um, do we should we parameterize all the fields in a script?
Yeah,
So
we can.
whatever form fields we enter. Um,
Yeah, definitely we can parameterize everything.
okay.
We can parameterize. We can.
Okay. Mhm. Hello.
Yep. Yeah. Yeah. One second. Yep. So first we need to
Okay.
go with the
Yeah.
we need to go with the CSV dataset. First we need to open one Excel sheet. Okay. And Excel sheet. So what are the parameters required? We'll
Mm-hmm.
see that here. Go here. So we need first name. Okay, we'll go with this one because what are the parameters we have entered here? Let's see that. First name, last name, phone number. And here in the Excel sheet, first name is Ramesh Vikudikala. Okay, the phone number will be something else. Okay, and the email ID will be email ID username. Okay, username is okay, some username called can say that Selenium or Jmeter framework at gmail.com. You can give any email, invalid email address, not a problem. And address
Mm-hmm.
address taken as empty here. Can give address one. Okay, address taken, right? Address is plot number 1-1-5 a, and address to, if I want to give address to, you can give it, not a problem. uh, address to is sorry, so plaza, and city and Hyderabad, and the state is Telangana. Okay, and what else required? Postal code is 5 lakhs some 12. My goodness, 5 lakhs 12. And here country.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the country is taking the numbers here actually. Okay, the country is taking numbers, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's see that.
Yeah.
Here go to the inspect element. I click on this one, inspect element, inspect element. If we want
Yeah.
to take a particular country, okay, we can go here
Mm-hmm.
and we can drag up this one. Okay, if you look at this one, there is a value for this. There is a value for each country. Okay, if you want to select,
Yeah.
if you want to select any other country, I want to
Mm-hmm.
select India. Yeah, I want to select India, or else I want to select India. Where is this India? Okay, India here. That's why 92 is coming here. That's why 92 is coming here. Okay, this time I want to select
Mm-hmm.
a
Okay.
country that is called United States of America. What is that here? Okay, United States here. Okay, 215. I want to take 215. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
got it? Okay, you 215.
Yeah.
So here in the Excel sheet, I want to take it
Mm-hmm.
215. 215. And what else I'm
Yeah.
taking? Email ID and password. That is called username. Um, username will be Jmeter test 1 2 3. Jmeter test 1 2 3, and the password will be Stephen @1101. The confirm password will be the same. Okay, we have username and password and confirm password. So this is the XYZ
Yeah.
coordinate. No need to worry about it. Okay, this is the XYZ coordinate. When we click on the submit
Mm-hmm.
button, automatically take this XYZ coordinates. Okay, now I'm going to save
Mm-hmm.
this in the bin folder. Where is the bin folder? Jmeter here, go here, the bin folder. I'm going to save as .csv file, right? .csv file. Where is that .csv file? Here. Let's those, yes, the CSV. So here I can give new tools,
Yeah.
new tools. That's it. You can save it. Done. What happens? My goodness. So now I can import those things like what I have given here. First name, first name. Okay, here the file name I'm giving, right? So file name, what is the file name? New tools. New tools dot CSV.
CSV.
Because I'm not giving any full path. Why? Because I have saved this file in the bin
Yeah.
folder, right? Bin folder. So here
Bin
variable
directory.
names.
Yeah.
Variable names I have given different parameters here. First name, and I can give the last name, comma phone number, comma email address, comma what was that? Address, address one, address two. Okay, address one, address two, address one, address two.
City, state, postal.
Yeah, city, state, postal, city, comma state, comma postal address,
Postal
as well as country.
country.
Yep, country, as well as username, comma password, comma confirm password, right?
Con
Confirm password. Okay. Okay, but make sure, okay, I'm going to copy these things, okay, put in my notepad, because I should use the same variables. Okay, I should use the same variables at the time of giving the request. Copy this one, go to the request, go to the request. This is the first request I did. Go here. Okay, before that, dollar symbol, open brace, first name. Okay, right, and here
Yeah.
also same thing, take last name, a dollar symbol, open brace, close brace. The phone number, dollar symbol, phone number. Yep. And what else? Email address. Right. And what else? Address one. Dollar symbol, open, white. I'm gonna give this one address two. Open base. Add two. Add two. Okay. Add two. Then what else? City. Copy this one. State. And this was postal. Dollar. Yep. And this is for country. And you have to observe the values which are taken when you are recording the scripts. Okay, so this country is not, if you if you forgot and you give the country name here, okay, it won't take it because it won't recognize. Okay, it's taking some values, the
Yeah.
country code is taking, so you must be careful when you are parameterizing or when you are sending the parameters to the scripts. We must be careful. And username, the username comes here, and the password, The question is, do we need do we require the password is 2 times? It's no, right? Confirm password is not required here. So we can give the same name, right? We can give the same name because we are giving the same password, correct?
Mm.
We are giving the same password, right?
Yeah.
You need to give the confirm password here.
Right.
Okay, so very simple. Go here and remove one password. So that you know very one variable is saved. Okay, so let me save it here. Otherwise, you know,
Okay.
let me save it. Okay, save it. And I have to go back to this one also, or else we will get an issue. Where is that new tools here? Remove this variable. Okay. So we are done with parameterization, right?
Mm-hmm.
We are
Yeah.
done with parameterization. The only thing we are pending with adding timers as well as assertions. Correct? Adding timers and assertions.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna add a constant timer for this one, this home page. Okay, home page time. I'm gonna add assertion timers called constant timer. Okay, constant timer. We can give you 500 milliseconds. 500 milliseconds. That means the home page always should be opened within the 500 milliseconds. That means 0.5 seconds. That is my requirement. Okay.
Yeah.
So how many number of users are using access things I don't want. Okay. So say for a single user minimum it should take 0.5 seconds. Okay, not more than that.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
That. Okay, right. And
Okay.
what are the assertions I can add here? Okay, I'm gonna expecting assertion called response assertion is very important. Response assertion. So here we have
Mm-hmm.
we can assert the response code, response message, and the text response as well. Text response is nothing but whatever is
Mm-hmm.
in the page. Okay, this is the page. In this page, go here.
Mm-hmm.
In this page, I won't assert something. I won't assert something. Take anyone. Take any element or anyone. Okay, this should be there. Or else I want to assert something called a title. This is my title, right? This is my title. Okay, copy this one. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I won't assert title, this title. If the page is having this title, then I should be contains. So first take the main samples only, and what we are going to assert, we are going to assert the text response. And what is contains, it contains this
Contain.
one,
Mm-hmm.
contain this title, this contains this title.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and if you want one more assertion you can add here, not a problem. Okay, here also, here we can add one more here, that is called response code. This called response code is 200. Okay, 200 is nothing but
Mm-hmm.
same, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
One second. What happens here? Let me go here. Uh, my goodness. Applying four are different for this one because this is the text response and this is the response code. Okay, so I may not add this one. Okay, let me remove this one. My goodness. Title. Okay, so text response. If you want to add one more assertion, you can add here. Not a problem. Assertion, response assertion, or else if you want to go for another assertion, okay, enough. Response code as 200. Okay, enough. One is, the other one is
Yeah.
title. Okay, we can give the title.
Yeah.
Okay, we can give the title.
Mm-hmm.
So new tools homepage underscore title. Okay, this is called a response code.
Mm-hmm.
Response code. Okay, right.
Yeah.
Next request.
Yeah.
So we are going for the registration link. Okay. So when I click on this registration link, okay, it should not take. I'm expecting this page within a second. That means we can give you the constant timer that is called 500 milliseconds again. Constant timer,
Okay.
500 milliseconds. Okay. And I'm going to add what different assertions I'm going to add here. Do we see register Mercury tools, and what is the title here? Mercury tools. Okay, so title will be different here. This is a different type title. Welcome Mercury tools is the home page, and this is the register Mercury tools. Register Mercury tools, so that I can add response assertion as title. Okay, title. I'm gonna
Mm-hmm.
add title. Okay, how do we gonna take it this one? Go here, take the, what is that? Right. Okay, I'm gonna take this one, title here, place here. Okay, enough. Right. All right. Okay, this is enough for this. And what is the next request? Okay, I enter all the details. I'm going to save it. Okay, for this post request. This is the post request because I'm sending the details to the application, right? Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
So for this, I'm also giving the timer called a constant timer. You can give constant timer, not a problem.
Okay.
I can give approximately 1 second. 1 second, because it will take some time to sending the details, right? So 1 second is enough. 1 second is enough for us.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And I'm gonna add the assertion called
Mm-hmm.
once you logged in. I have to get this one, duration comparison response assertion. The response assertion I'll go with export assertion. Let's see that export assertion. Okay, export is nothing but I'm gonna take like this test, test, test. So here I have to take something here. Okay, I have to take some XPath of any element here. Okay, I'm going to take XPath of some element
Second.
here. Okay, this is the XPath of some element. Go here and right click on this one, copy XPath. Okay, I'm just taking the XPath of this sign-in link only.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sign-in link only. So go here,
Yeah.
go here,
Mm-hmm.
one. Okay, paste here. Okay, and main samples, subsamples, main samples only. And what else he has? Use TD is not required. Use namespaces, validate XML, ignore white space, fetch return data is not required. Yeah, true if nothing is matches. Let's see that. Okay. So constant timer is added, export assertion is added. Okay, we are validating some sign-in link in that particular page. That means we came to a right place. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
if it is not matching, then the test is not going smooth.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
now let us save it once. Okay, I'm going to save as a different test plan. This is called new tools. New tools. New tools test plan. Okay, just save it. Just save it. Okay, right. So now what I'll do is okay, let me run from this here itself, because I'll run from the command prompt later. So let's check whether it is running properly or not. I'm going to run, add the listeners here, view result tree, as well as view result in table, and yep, enough, both enough. And I'm going to run this one. Let's see. Let's see that. School. Okay, perfectly. It's done. Okay, the last one is failed. Okay, maybe it's might be because of the XPath only. I think so. XPath, yep. I think okay. The element type BR must be terminated by the matching end tag as PR. Okay, 1 second. Let me go here. Okay, we have given some wrong XPath here. Last time also we made mistakes. Let me take another one. What is there here? Sign up. Let me take the sign up. Let's see that. Okay, copy this one. Copy this path. Okay. Go here. Validate this one. On this one. Okay, let's see again. Okay, again test is failing. BR must be terminated by the matching end tag source exception. BR. Okay, 1 second. Let me go here. Validate XML. Study. Response errors. Show warnings. No. Matching sub elements. Okay. Right. Let's see that what happens. Okay. Now this time is okay, but let's see that something is going wrong there. Okay. So let's see these pages once. Whether it's navigating the particular pages or not. Okay. So we are navigating this home page is correct. Okay. Okay. And the next one is, and this is the registration page, correct? Okay. And
Yeah.
the third one is, so we came to this page, correct? After signing. Okay. And your username is Jmeter test 123. We have given in the Excel sheet, right? We have given in the Excel sheet. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So I cannot believe this one. I want to see the parameters where it is exactly. Okay. Let's go here. Click on this one. Okay. Go to sampler. Where is that? Request. Okay.
Request probably.
So here is the parameters.
HTTP.
Okay. The last name. Okay. Kurikala and country. All these things are username, first name here, first name, password. Stephen at Z1101. Okay. It's perfectly done. Taking all the parameters. Okay. It's not mandatory to take one by one. It's taking Sheffield one, but anyway, it's logged into the application, right? Anyway, it's registered into the application. Okay. That's happening. And
yeah.
Okay.
So can you click on username? It will say user. It's Jmeter test 123, right? So it's the first name.
1 second. Where is that? Here. What is that? Username, right?
If you can come down.
Yes.
So it is printing Jmeter test 123 is email over here.
Email is nothing but username.
Username is.
Yeah. This username, the field.
Email is the username here. Okay.
Whatever we have in this.
Yeah.
See that, right? Here. The username is email. Okay. And the email is username. Okay. Right. So like that. Okay, but I want to see the assertion results also, because how do I know whether assertion is passed or not? Okay, so in that case, what I'll do is I'll just put one assertion error also, assertion results also. Where is that assertion results? Okay, results. Let's go here and clear this one, run it. Look at this. This is passed, but I should get the proper one. Okay, that's correct. Okay, let's do one thing. We try to add a wrong assertion. This is the title, right? Okay, I'm going to do a mistake called contains. Okay, I'm going to do matches. Okay, matches. I'm going to remove the S here. Okay, if you put contains means the title should be contain this one. Always it's contain, right? But it's matches. I'm removing yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Try to save it. Okay. Let's run it. And Go and see the assertion results. What happened here? Response assertion is failed. Okay. What happened? Test failed. Test expected to match. This is the one. Okay.
Yes.
But we are given the different one, right? So it's wrong one. You can you can try with this. You can try like this. Okay. So I'm gonna add this S. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna run this one. Oh my God. Okay. Matches text expected to match. Okay. Now also we are getting some error. Okay. Did you do any mistake here? Oh, instead of doing matches, we can give equals. Let's see that. Okay. 1 second. Let me go here. Let's see that. Okay. What is this response error? Okay. Right. Understand. The problem is we should give always contains, okay, and this is substring. I think it's gonna work it. But when you give matches and equals, now there are some terms and conditions that their way of writing the title. Okay, so we should not write title. No, title is equal to this one, and we have to write in a different cases. We have here we base source, and we have the function here, the title here. From here we have to write like this. JavaScript also is there, right? JavaScript. Okay.
Yeah.
Complete things we have to match here. The way of writing, what is that thing went wrong? This time is okay. Okay, we can give substring. Okay, the full XPath. Or contains you can give the substring is nothing but you can give full title, and contents you can give this off title also. Off title also you can give it. Okay. So like this, so we have to do it. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just remove this one. Listeners. Okay. Listeners, I'm going to save it once again. Okay. And I must take the results from the command prompt. Okay. My test plan is new tools test plan. Okay. New tools test plan. Go to command and navigate to my folder that is called CD Apache Jmeter. Yes, Jmeter setup. And here CD Apache setup and CD bin folder. I'm sorry. CD bin folder. Okay. Here, what are the arguments I have to type here? What are the arguments I have to type for the generating the results? Jmeter, how to run the Jmeter test from the command prompt? First, when you type Jmeter, right? Jmeter. Okay, and I'm running from the non-GUI. Okay, what do you want to run? I want to run the test. What is the test name? The test name is new tools test plan.jmx. Okay, space. Okay, what do you want to generate? I want to generate a listener, that is report. Okay, what is the test plan you want to run? Sorry, what is the how many report you want to give it? Okay, new tools. Okay, one thread dot JTL. Okay, dot JTL. Run this one. Okay, it's going to run it. Oh, done. It's done. It's done or still running? Oh, sorry, it's still running. Okay, done. Now it's done. Okay, now what I'll do here, I'll go here, thread plan here. I'm going to use 10 threads. We have 3 scenarios, right? One is the one thread ramp up will be 1, and 10 threads ramp up will be 1, and 10 threads 5 seconds. Okay, so here I'm going to use 10 threads. Okay, so tomorrow I'll explain how we can take threads from the command prompt only, because I don't want to come here and take the save the details, right? Every time I cannot do this one. Okay, because I don't want to open my Jmeter when I'm running this command prompt. Running from command prompt, I should not open this Jmeter window. Okay, right. Next, what I'm doing here, same. just up arrow, just change the threads here. I can give 10 threads. Okay, run here. Okay, I'm done. Yes. So now I'm going to use this is 10 thread 5 seconds. Okay, just save it. Okay, and use the same one, and here report as different one. 10 threads, 5 ramp up. Enter. Okay, I'm going to done this one. Yep, done. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll just what is that? Opening the listeners here. Listeners. Okay. View result tree. View result tree is not required right now. I'm gonna use a different one. View result tree. Sorry. View result in table or summary report. Anyone. Take anyone. And come here and browse that file. Okay. Browse that file. The file name here. Now new tools one thread. Open this one. Okay, this is for one thread. This is for one thread. Okay, you have to copy this one. You have to copy this one, and okay, so you can put here. Right. Next one. What next? Browse the other one. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me clear this one first. Clear and browse the second file. 10 threads. This is the 10 threads, right? 10 threads. So when I'm using 10 threads, the details are the same details as taking. Okay, we are not taking, we are not giving any multiple parameters, different type of parameters. We are giving only one parameter that should run 10 times. Correct? We have given only one set of parameters, right? In the Excel sheet. We have
Yes, one set, yeah.
only user first name, last name, only one parameters, not 10 set of parameters, 10 parameters.
Yes.
Only one.
Yeah.
So this is for what is that? Ramp up is 5 and take same print text. Right. Yes. So these are the results of this one. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to go for the sign up. Sorry, sign in. Okay. You do sign in, as well as I'll be sending this file to you. This is a Jmeter. Sorry, which one?
Okay.
This JMX file. Okay. So what you do, you just add multiple parameters. Okay, multiple set of parameters. You add multiple set of parameters. You add, this example, you add 5 set of parameters and run with 5 users only, and check the 5 users are taking or not each request. Okay, check with that.
Okay, so you want me to add
five
set
of users.
5 different users.
Yes, 5 different set of users. You have to add it and you run it. Okay, make sure you have to run from the command prompt only. Don't run from this. Okay, that you have to do it.
Okay.
You have this set of files, right? Apache Jmeter. You're practicing, right?
Yeah.
So if you get any confusion, just let me know.
Yeah, I have